Hello guys, welcome to benzblog. Today we are going to talk about the issues that we encounter today is so some of the guys asking me to do that, to make the blogs for that. Then this is the right time to make it for you. So I'm happy to have that alarm, because we are going to talk about it, where we can find the solutions, where we can check first the this kind of faults. Okay, so I think it's better to show you also, I think, the diagram for that, so this generator, so you can understand also where we are going to start our troubleshooting. So I think this is the right time to go it outside so we can start to our checking. Okay. So okay guys, this is the generator what we are talking about inside, and this is 135 kVA. This is conventional engine, and now I will show you the alarms, which is in fill to stop. Okay, so now we're going to start the generator, so you can see also what is really going on. So let's fire up. Beep, beep. Start. So guys, if you encounter this one in the site, what you are going to do first? What is the safest way to stop the generator? For example, the generator is run and you stop it. You emergency stop, it's not working. First, you have to do is to remove the fuel, right? And then still not stop. What is the next steps? So I will show you that what is the easy way to stop the generator even if it is failed to stop. Okay, again we're going to start the generator and we simulate it how we're going to stop the generator. So okay guys, as we did last time, that first thing you have to remove the fuel. Here is our fuel. This is our fuel line, so just remove it. So in order to remove the fuel, so until the fuel will consume to the generator and this one will become empty, the generator will stop. Next, that one is you have to suffocate the engine, so meaning you have to remove the oxygen, so there will be no combustions will happen. So we just only cover this one. So here, this is the air intake, so you just cover by hands, so until the engine will stop. So it takes around few seconds, that one. It will not automatically stop directly, but it will stop 100%. Now there are some other way to stop that one. So for example, if you know this generator that if you're familiar with the generator, this is conventional, and this one is, we have the relay for the fuel and we have the solenoid for the fuel. So things, if you know and you understand the process for that, so you have only simply remove the connections or remove the supply for your solenoid. It will stop the generator. For example, if the solenoid is in the perfect conditions, but for example, this one this is our fuel solenoid, right? So for example, the generator is running and it will not stop. You can also remove this one, because if without supply, solenoid will also deactivate. Okay, so aray ko, yeah, like that. So I will try to start the generator and I will show you if the generator will stop also. And we put it back the cover. Okay. Then I think so. We'll start again. So as you can see guys, I've just removed the power supply with your solenoid if in case that the generator is failed to stop. Okay, as you can see, it is shutting down also, but sometimes, you know, this solenoid is not working properly. Sometimes even if you remove the power supply or totally no power supply, sometimes the generator is still running but it will not shut down. So what you are going to do is check the fuel solenoid. Either this one is stuck up or it is already faulty. So in order to know that, just use the multimeter and try to remove, put the supply, and then you can see if it is in the correct status, or if you can see if it is in okay. So for example, I will show you in that tests, so you will know also how to check the solenoid if it is okay. So by the way guys, this is the fuel solenoid. So this one need a supply, this one 12 volts. So for example, you want to know if this one is working, then you have to do it. Just simply put the supply for it, these two connections from here, so you will see that it will move. Okay, see, that is the functions of that. If there is power supply, it will energize, so it will run the generator, and if it is no power supply, it will de-energize the solenoid in order to stop the generator. And the other way to know this one, you just simply put your tester into the ohms and you can identify if this one have still connections. So because this one have a winding inside, so I will just connect this one to the other side. So I will connect in this side and then in the other side. As you can see, you have the 16.5 ohms. This one, so meaning this one is still good condition. Okay, that's it only. So simply, if you are going to connect back this one, just clean it first. And the fuel here, just clean it. Yeah, like that. If you think that there is already no fuel, just insert it back. It is an inclined position. Just do it like that, so in order to insert properly. Then where's the hole? Yeah, okay. So that's it. This one is 24 spanner. We just simply tight. Yeah, that is enough. And connect back these connections. Okay, that's it. So okay guys, and if you have like a conventional engine and you are at the same scenario you encounter like that, and just follow in the video so you can also relate what is happening there. Yeah. So by the way, in the video that one is already failed to stop, so I tried to stop it there to remove the supply for the solenoid. So sometimes, you know, if you know already that the engine is not stopped, so just try to check this kind of solenoid, because this is the one only that can stop or start your generator. So it's easy to troubleshoot that. Just remove it, clean it, and put some supply, check the resistances, and make it sure that before you install it back, it is already working properly. So by the way, benzblog is here. Comment down below so we can talk about it more options for that kind of issues. So bye bye, see you again in my next vlog.